guys, this is what I cooked for supper. I had homemade chili in the freezer I needed to get rid of, so I made a Mexican cornbread, and I added hot dogs, as you can see, hot dogs to it. I added cheese, I added tomatoes. It has beans in it. Like I said, it's a homemade chili that I had. It's actually a vegan chili, but you can do it with regular chili. You can do it with canned chili, guys, if y'all just want to be lazy. All you need is a box of Jiffy. Follow the instructions with your Jiffy and put that aside. Brown up some hot dogs. I did everything in my air fryer. I browned up some hot dogs with some onions and peppers in my air fryer. And then I mixed in my homemade chili, and I added cheese on top of that, and then I poured my cornbread over the top, and I put it in the air fryer at 350 degrees for 25 minutes, and it just came out perfect. Very easy to do. So, but I was just showing y'all what I made. This is so good. It is so good, guys. It really is. It looks like a mess, but I'm telling you, it's not a mess. It's so good. It's so delicious. The only thing I think I would have done different, I would have added a little bit more sage to it. But it's okay. I put some hot sauce on it, so that's good. You know me and my hot sauce. So, but I hope y'all tried the recipe. Like I said, it's really easy. You just need a packet of Jiffy. You just need hot dogs, how many ever you want to put in it. I put in 4. Because I'm by myself. I'm home, guys, by the way. I'm still resting though. In any chili of your choice, you can put in canned chili, you can put in your homemade chili, you know, it depends on what you want. And after you get it all mixed up and put cheese on top, you pour your cornbread in, like I said, and you put it in at 350 in an air fryer. You might want to put it in at 375 in an oven for 25 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. It came out perfect in my air fryer at 350 for 25 minutes. Everybody's is different, so you're just going to have to play with the temperature as much as you want. So, but I hope you try this. I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm still resting a little bit. Just touching base with you guys. I love you so, so, so very much, and I miss you very much. I will be back. I might even come back tonight. Depends on how I feel tonight, because I've been like really sluggish. But I had to come home. It got too noisy. God bless my friend. I know she's watching this. It gets too noisy over there with kids once in a while, and then I just got to come home. But she took really good care of me. Naomi really took good care of me. But I'm here, so we'll see. Anyway, God bless you. May God always keep you safe. Don't let the trolls control your channel. Remember what I say, try not to react. I know it's hard, I've even slipped. I'm only human, we're all only human. But if we don't react, they tend to slip away. You know, they tend to go away. But, yeah. Anyway, and I know Mandy was missing her privacy. She likes being able to lay on her pillow, my pillow. Yeah, my body pillow. She missed her body pillow because I left it here. So I'm just sitting here, relaxing, watching some movies on Netflix, doing really nothing. I do need to get some work done around the house, but I'm not going to do it today. I'm still not feeling great. And my friend said she'd be by tomorrow to help me, so. But, yum yum. Take a bite. Take a bite, guys. Damn. Damn, guys. Are you hungry? It's so good. Look at all that cheese. Anyway, I love you. Talk to you later. Hey guys, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and add that bell so you can get all notifications. And please watch this next video if you want to see some cooking. Love you. Talk to you later.